AI won't just take your job, it's already taking your edge. And while everyone's arguing about robots and ChatGPT, most people are missing the real threat. AI is making the gap between the rich and the broke wider than ever. If you don't understand what's happening right now, you're not just behind, you're getting priced out of the future. Hi, if this is your first time in the channel, my name is Igor and welcome to Wealth Chronicles, where we focus on smart investing and mindset growth. Think about it. AI isn't some far-off future tech. It's already in your search results, your resume screening, your banking app, and it's in the hands of people who know how to use it to make money while they sleep. The wealthy are using AI to automate businesses, write emails, analyze investments, and manage entire portfolios. The rest? They're still asking if ChatGPT can help them write a birthday card. And here's the kicker. AI does not get tired. It doesn't need sleep, weekends, or motivation. It's working 24/7. And if you're not learning how to work with it, you're effectively choosing to work against it. That's a losing battle. This shift is so quiet that many people don't realize they've already fallen behind. It's not loud or flashy. It's happening in the background, while most people scroll social media or binge watch shows. Meanwhile, some are automating income streams and building systems that work for them. This is not just about technology. It's about mindset. The people staying broke in this AI era aren't less intelligent. They're stuck in an old-school survival mentality. Work hard, clock in, save what you can. But the rules have changed. In this new era, your leverage matters more than your labor. Those who stay curious, who adapt fast, who invest instead of save, they are already winning. Everyone else is too afraid, too distracted, or too exhausted to even notice the change. We've been conditioned to believe that security comes from stability. But in a rapidly shifting world, the opposite is true. Security comes from adaptability. When you cling to old systems, you limit your potential. Mindset's no longer just a personal development buzzword. It's economic survival. Before we go on, if videos like this speak to you and bring help clarity, consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel and tells me to keep creating content like this. Now let's get back to the video. Here's what no one's telling you. You don't need to be a developer or a tech genius to benefit from AI. You need to think like an owner. Owners use AI to research investments faster, automate budgeting, create online businesses, generate content or products. Workers wait to be told what to do. And if you're waiting, AI is already doing your job better, faster, and cheaper. The middle class shrinking, the AI savvy thriving. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building systems. AI gives you tools that used to be locked behind teams of employees or massive startup capital. Now you can automate tasks, build digital assets, and generate value at scale on your own. And yes, it takes effort. And yes, it takes time. But it's the kind of time that builds momentum. The kind of time that builds freedom. If you're serious about not being left behind, here are 3 mindset shifts you need right now. 1. Stop trading time for money. Start trading value for freedom. Ask yourself, what can I create, automate, or invest in that grows while I sleep? What's the new metric of progress? It's not about hustling harder, it's about building smarter. 2. Don't just save, invest. Cash is losing value to inflation. Assets grow. Most people hoard cash because they're afraid to lose money. But in today's economy, sitting on cash guarantees you're losing it. Educate yourself on assets, ETFs, index funds, even small side hustles that can become income-generating machines. 3. Get uncomfortable. The AI era rewards those who learn fast and act fast. Don't wait until it's too late. Discomfort is the tuition you pay for growth. Whether it's learning how to use AI tools, recording your first video, or putting your money into something unfamiliar, lean into that discomfort. That's where real change happens. Look, you don't need to be perfect. Nobody is. But if you're not even trying to understand the shift, you're choosing to stay broke. Start simple. Learn one new tool. Try one small investment. Change just one belief. Because in this new world, your mindset is your currency. Now, if you're playing it too safe and think that investing is just a way to lose money, you need to watch this video next. It reveals the real reason fear is keeping you stuck. I'll see you there.